Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 45, the living organisms and their surroundings. In this worksheet, you will revise your chapter. Look at the following things carefully and fill in the following blanks and add two more names from your surroundings. Here the pictures are given to you. You have to pick the correct one and write at correct place. Name the things which can move. You have to write the names of things which can move. From this picture, dog can move, tree and auto rickshaw can also move. Water can move. So you have to write the names which can move: dog, auto rickshaw, water, cat, cow, lion, deer, or you can write any names of any other animals including human being. Name the things which can give birth to young ones. You can write the names of animals which can give birth to young ones like dog, cat, cow, and lion, deer, rabbit, goat, etc. Name the things which can move, which can't move, which do not move. Book, pencil, chair, table, desk, pen. You can write the names of anything which cannot move. Name the things which can breathe. So living things is the characteristic feature of living things. So you can write the names of living organisms: dog, trees, cat, cow, etc. or many more. Name the things which can move but can't give birth to young ones. So in this fill in the blank, you have to write the things which can move but can't give birth to young ones. Like the auto rickshaw, bus, car, water, these things are non-living but can move but can't give birth to young ones. So you have to write the things which can move but these things are non-living and can't give birth to young ones. Next is name the things which can make its food, like trees, herbs, small plants, and rose plant like shrubs, etc. Are you? Next is, as you have listed few things, why do you think some of things can move, make its food, breath, or give birth to young ones, but other can't? Write in your own words. So things which can move, make its food, breath, and give birth to young ones are living things. That is why, or these are the characteristic features of living things, and other can't do such movements because they are non-living. So non-living things can't move, cannot make their own food, can't breathe, or do not give birth to young ones. Now here is an activity. Take few stones and few seeds like rajma, beans, pea, grams, etc. Now put them separately into two pots containing soil. Put both the pots in the sun for 3 to 4 days and also water them. Write your observation here and also draw the picture which you see in the pots. So you have to write the observations, your observations, also draw the picture. So you can draw the picture like two pot in which stones are put. Second picture in which small plant or seeds are placed. So germination will take place. Thanks for watching.